1 less than 23 and 4. So which is less than 23, and it's a square 16. That is 4 fours. Okay, now this is simple. About 88, when I bring down 7 and then 0 4, how do I decide whether I should do 88 or 85 or 84 or 83, whatever? How? See here, always divide the first number or the first two numbers whichever are divisible, or first three numbers whichever are divisible by this 8, this number. 8 8 is 64, right? This is less than 70. Try with 88. That will give you, generally will give you the correct answer. So if not, plus or minus 1. So 88 into 8, you got this over here. So 0.48 over here. Next for this 0.1764. Again 4 4 is 16. Point over here. Then 1 remains 164. Then 8. See here, 8 2 is 16. So try with 82. If it is not with 82, then it can be 83 or 81 also. But just one or two numbers here or there. So 0.42 is a square root. So it's simple now. 0.48 plus 0.42 upon 0.48 minus 0.42 equals to x. So what is this? 9.9, and here it is 0.6. So remove the points. So it becomes 9 upon 6 equals to 1.5. Either 9 upon 6 or 1.5 or 3 by 2. Whatever the answer is given in the exam. Download Yuva app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for the same. Seeing behind those videos on a daily basis, and you'll learn them within 3 months. Those are useful for you throughout your life for any competitive exams. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.